Which GoPro selfie stick is actually worth buying? Simple question, but the answer's not so obvious once you start looking. Today I'm breaking down 5 real options that people are actually using and what makes each one different. Product number 1, Justmo 59 in Invisible Stick. This Justmo stick stands out because it's one of the few that actually disappears in your footage, but only if you're using an Insta360 X Series or DJI Osmo 360. It extends to 59 inches and collapses down to just 11 inches, weighing under a pound. If you want that clean, floating camera look without the stick showing up in your 360 shots, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The invisible effect only works with compatible 360 cameras, so if you're shooting with a standard GoPro Hero, it'll still appear in the frame. But for Insta360 users, this feature is a game changer. It lets you capture impossible angles like you're being followed by a drone, but without any post-editing hassle. Over 1,000 units sold last month shows it's getting traction. Now some people complained about the tripod legs feeling a bit flimsy on uneven ground. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly using it handheld or on flat surfaces like a beach or trail, it's perfectly stable. Just don't expect studio-level rigidity on rocky terrain. This is perfect for you if you own an Insta360 X3, X4, or X5 and want that seamless invisible effect. Skip this one if you're using a regular action cam and don't need tripod mode. At $38, it's a solid investment for 360 creators. Product number 2, K&F Concept 62 in Phone and GoPro Stick. Now if Justmo's invisible feature doesn't apply to your setup, this K&F Concept Stick takes a completely different approach. It's built for versatility. At 62 inches, it's one of the tallest on this list, and it supports up to 6.6 pounds, meaning you can slap on a phone, GoPro, or even a small mirrorless camera. If you want one stick that handles everything from vlogging to group shots, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 360-degree ball head lets you tilt and rotate your camera freely, which is huge when you're framing yourself while hiking or skiing. Plus, it comes with a Bluetooth remote that works up to 30 feet away. No more running back and forth to hit record. The 7-section extension gives you serious height control, and the aluminum build keeps it light but sturdy. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's clearly resonating with hybrid shooters. Now some people complained about the phone clamp being a bit tight to adjust with one hand. Here's the thing though, once it's set, it holds firm and the extra friction actually prevents slippage during bumpy rides. Just takes a second longer to fine-tune. This is perfect for you if you switch between phone and GoPro often or need maximum height for overhead shots. Skip this one if you're only using a lightweight action cam and don't need all the extra length. At $26, it's a steal for the flexibility. Product number 3, ANXRE 41.7 in Compact Travel Stick. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for travelers who prioritize portability. The ANXRE stick folds down to just 7.7 inches and weighs less than a can of soda, making it ideal for stuffing into a day pack without adding bulk. If you want something ultralight that still gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. At 41.7 inches extended, it's not the tallest, but it's plenty for most selfie and group shot scenarios. The included Bluetooth remote pairs instantly and works up to 30 feet away, so you're not stuck tapping your phone screen. It fits phones from 4.7 to 7 inches wide, even with thick cases, and the 360 degrees rotating head lets you switch from landscape to portrait in seconds. For under $13, it's hard to beat for casual use. Now some people complained about the weight limit being super low, just 0.36 pounds, which means it's not meant for heavy rigs. Here's the thing though, if you're just using a GoPro or smartphone, that's more than enough. Don't try mounting a cinema camera, obviously. This is perfect for you if you're backpacking, road tripping, or just want a backup stick in your glove compartment. Skip this one if you need tripod stability on windy days or plan to use heavier gear. At $13, it's basically disposable, but surprisingly reliable. Product number 4, Triapuva 19 in Mini Monopod. Now, if ANXRE's compact design appeals to you but you want something even smaller and more rugged, this Triapuva monopod is basically a pocket-sized powerhouse. It extends from 7 to 19 inches and weighs just 5 ounces, lighter than most energy bars. If you want a no-frills, go-anywhere grip for quick clips, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The twist lock mechanism is smooth and secure, and the rubberized handle gives you a confident grip even with wet hands, perfect for kayaking or snowboarding. It's waterproof, so saltwater or rain won't kill it. And unlike phone-compatible sticks, this one is built purely for action cams, so there's no fiddling with adapters. Just screw on your GoPro and go. Now, some people complain that it doesn't work with phones at all, and that's true. There's no phone mount included and no button for phone shutter control. Here's the thing though, if you're using a GoPro, you probably don't need your phone anyway. This stick is laser focused on action cam users. This is perfect for you if you want a minimal, durable grip for fast-paced adventures. Skip this one if you need phone compatibility or longer reach. At $17, it's a niche tool but perfect for its purpose. Product number 5, K&F Concept 13.2 in Vlog Grip. Finally, if you want something between a full tripod and a tiny grip, this K&F Concept 13.2-inch stick offers a sweet spot for vloggers. It's not long enough for group shots, but ideal for chest-level filming or tabletop setups. If you want a stable, lightweight handle that doubles as a mini tripod, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The shock-absorbing ring inside the telescopic tube reduces hand tremors, something you'll notice when walking and talking. The non-slip silicone base keeps it steady on tables or rocks, and at just 3.17 ounces it won't weigh down your kit. It supports up to 2 kg, so even with mounts and filters it holds firm. Now, some people complained it's too short for tall users or wide-angle selfies. Here's the thing though, that's by design. This isn't meant for arm's-length shots. It's for controlled, close-range filming where stability matters more than reach. This is perfect for you if you're doing talking head vlogs, cooking DMOS, or need a steady desktop stand. Skip this one if you need extended reach for action shots. At $23, it's a smart pick for stationary creators. So which one should you get? If you shoot 360 footage, the Jusmo Invisible Stick is unmatched. Need max height and phone compatibility? Go with K&F 62-inch model. Travel light, ANXRE's compact stick wins. Pure action cam minimalism, Triapuva's 19-inch grip. And for stable vlogging, K&F's 13-inch tripod hybrid. Each solves a different problem, so pick based on how you actually shoot.